Hey everyone, so just going to realized I didn't have the remaining intervals. If you need them, I'll try to get them all up tonight from 7 through to 12. And yeah, so let's start off with this one. So I don't remember exactly what I did, but I was able to just do this in one round. Those abilities, or tactics rather. You do get bonuses as you collect food if you're Element or Union. For this one, you get Selena, as well bring Union. So, I believe I'd moved Clara just enough to leave Camelot alone, and should be able to clear this in one round. Buff up the attack of the Element and Union. Kill this guy. Can't remember exactly what I did. So he is only useful for buffing up Selena. Can't really do a whole lot else. And I believe Camelot kills these guys. Oh, he managed to kill that guy. Last time he did not kill him. Non-active damage, and well, in the off chance you don't, that won't be a kill. I believe that's what I did with Ysurend. one turn. If, oh, actually, that's not everyone. There's still that guy all the way over there. He didn't survive last time. Guess we're doing round 2. I'll show the recording after quickly as I can with it happening in one round in case, I don't know, whatever I did slightly different. Should be all of them except for the last suppression or 2. And there we go. I'll just pause this for a second and we'll take a look at a one round. So here's the one round clear. I don't remember exactly what I'd done differently. I know Camelot didn't get the critical and killed the second food guy, but so Clara went to the same spot. Camelot killed him, takes the attack bonus for Union. Killed that guy, and apparently I stood in place. See, that time the food guy survived on his own. This one went there. And for some reason, when Yisurin did that, the first time in the last video or segment of the video, a dagger went over to that guy and it was easier to kill him. So, RNG. Did that. This is why it took one turn, because then she went there, killed him, and then he was left alive, and Selena kills this guy. Out of turn damage. There you go. 4 turns followed by 1 turn, more or less the same strategy.